dragon sleeve, and I'm here with my another beautiful model, and we are going to be tying sexy chain sleeves starting here in the middle of her back and going down her arm. Again, you start with the middle of the rope. This is about a 25-foot rope, depending on how much closeness and intricate you want, depends on how long of the rope. So you find the two ends, make it come all the way to the very middle. This is always known as your anchor point. For your anchor point, you're going to find the middle of the back. You're going to put it right here, just like this. You're going to take your right side of the rope, cross it over the right arm, still with your finger placed for the anchor point. You're going to take the left side and just like this. Can you please lift up both of your arms? There you go. You're going to hook both of the ropes into the other like this. Always make sure to add tension and keep it nice and snug. As you can tell, these are here going to be the sleeves. The sleeve is going to help keep the tension on the arm so the ropes don't fall down, okay? Here, leave this one loose. From here, depending again how close you want your placement, put your rope right about here. It's a good starting point. Lift up your arm, please. Okay, she has long, beautiful arms. And then you're just going to wrap it under and you're going to hook it in, just like that. Again, go down. You can either go whichever way you want, totally up to you. I'm going to continue the same way. I'm going to hook. It's very simple, but it's also very sexy, fun, easy to add over any type of outfit that you want to add, as I said before, an edge to. Bondage is hitting the fashion industry by storm, and you can keep going down further and further, as you can tell. And you do the same exact thing on the other arm. There you go. It's beautiful. And like I said, it's very simple. So the key is to find the middle of the anchor rope, create a nice tight sleeve, and then you're just going to intertwine the chains just like this. And then to make a sleeve, sorry, not a sleeve, and then to make your cuff, you would just wrap it around and then you would tie in. But I need a little bit more rope. So you do the same on the other side. Tune in, there will be more coming to you. This is how to make the dragon sleeve.